In 2026, AI is everywhere, promising to boost our productivity. Every day, a new tool claims to revolutionize how we work. We keep adding AI writing assistants, image generators, and bots to our digital arsenal, but our focus doesn't grow with our toolkit. This is a trap. Collecting tools isn't the same as building real capability. Constantly switching between apps fragments our attention and drains our energy. The problem isn't the technology, it's our approach. The more is better mindset leads to shallow engagement and scattered workflows. We end up managing tools instead of doing meaningful work. Busyness becomes a stand-in for true productivity. Real productivity comes from focus, not from having the latest app. This isn't a new problem. Email and social media did the same. AI is just the latest, most powerful version. The promise of AI is huge. It can automate, generate, and analyze at superhuman speed. But to harness this, we need to move beyond collecting tools. We need systems, a framework that turns a pile of apps into a streamlined process. Think of a master craftsman. She doesn't own every tool, just the right ones she's mastered. Her efficiency comes from a system, not a collection. We must adopt this mindset for digital work. Build focused systems that leverage AI, instead of being overwhelmed by endless options. This is the path to deep, meaningful work in the age of AI. Let's see how fragmentation holds us back. Using too many AI tools creates digital chaos. Imagine making a market research report. You bounce between 5 different AIs for brainstorming, data, summaries, charts, and writing. Each tool has its own quirks, logins, and commands. This isn't a workflow, it's a scavenger hunt. Every switch costs mental energy and breaks your focus. You become a digital administrator, not a creator. The result? Inconsistent, disjointed work that needs extra editing to unify. The time spent integrating outputs defeats the purpose of using AI for efficiency. Fragmentation prevents you from building a repeatable, high-quality process. Every project starts from scratch, with new tools and new headaches. Professionals don't leave their process to chance. They build systems. Systems provide structure, predictability, and a foundation for improvement. To escape chaos, stop collecting tools and start building systems. So, what does a focused AI system look like? Let's break it down. The solution is a core AI system, a personal process, not just a piece of software. It's a deliberate structure designed for a specific, valuable outcome. This system integrates AI to serve your goals, not distract from them. The model has 4 stages: input, AI processing, automation, and output. Input: you gather and structure the raw materials for your task, clear prompts, organized data, or a detailed brief. This forces you to clarify your thinking before using AI. AI processing: use 1 or 2 core AI models you've mastered, not a random mix. Mastery means knowing how to prompt, guide, and get the best results. Automation: connect steps with scripts or integrations to minimize manual work. Output: the finished product is consistent, high quality, and aligned with your goal. This model turns scattered tools into a streamlined machine for high-quality work. Let's see this in action with a real example. Here's how a content creator can transform her workflow. Transition to next scene. Meet a content creator producing a weekly tech newsletter. With scattered tools, her process is slow and disjointed. With a core AI system, she streamlines everything. On Monday, she feeds her AI a curated list of sources and a structured prompt. Identify 3 emerging trends, explain their impact, and find a case study for each. The AI processes this and generates a detailed research brief. She then asks the same AI to draft the newsletter in her style, ensuring consistency. Automation scripts move the draft into her newsletter platform and suggest titles and social posts. Her focus shifts to reviewing, refining, and adding insights. The system handles research and drafting, freeing her for high-level work. The result: a polished newsletter, produced in a fraction of the time. The same approach works for business operations. Let's see how a business owner can benefit. Transition to next scene. The core AI system isn't just for creatives, it's powerful for business management too. Picture a small business owner juggling customer inquiries, project updates, and weekly reports. Fragmented tools mean manual work and constant distraction. With a system, all incoming data, emails, messages, project updates, flows into a central hub. The AI scans and categorizes inquiries, flags overdue tasks, and pulls key metrics for reports. One system, one process, no more juggling apps. Automation routes messages, flags issues, and drafts the weekly report. The owner reviews a comprehensive summary in minutes, not hours. Her role shifts from reactive admin to strategic leader. The system frees her to focus on growth, not busy work. Systems aren't just efficient, they're built to last. Here's why systems outlast tools. Transition to next scene. Systems scale, adapt, and improve. Tools don't. A tool solves one problem. A system is a process you can grow. The content creator can double her output by running the same system for a second newsletter. No extra chaos. The business owner can add new features, like sentiment analysis, without starting over. Systems are tool-agnostic swap and better AI models as they emerge. If a tool disappears, your process remains. Your investment is in the workflow, not the app. This makes your work resilient and future-proof. In a world where tools come and go, systems are your foundation. So how do you build your own core AI system? Let's walk through the steps. Transition to next scene. Over you when one birds or birdies. Building a core AI system isn't about tech skills, it's about mindset. Focus on outcomes, not tools. Start by identifying a recurring high-value task that causes friction, like writing reports or managing projects. Define your ideal outcome with clarity, format, length, tone, and key components. Map your current process step by step to spot bottlenecks. Look for points where AI can smooth out friction. Don't delegate tasks at random. Target specific pain points. This analysis bridges the gap between your goal and your system. The next step is to define your core outcome. Let's see how to do that. Transition to next scene. Ayuamburi. My buys. The foundation of your AI system is a single, clear outcome. Vague goals like, be more productive don't work. Choose a concrete, recurring asset like a contract draft, research summary, or campaign brief. Ask, what essential, time-consuming task do I repeat? Pick something process-oriented with a tangible output. For example, a financial analyst's weekly market report. Break the outcome into components, data, summaries, analysis, and writing. This deconstruction turns a big project into manageable steps. Each step becomes a building block for your system. With a clear blueprint, you're ready to assemble your system. Here's how to put it all together. Transition to next scene. Nenderbi Yardernbori. With your outcome defined, assemble your system with purpose. Choose a single, powerful AI model and master it. Use it for all generative and analytical steps to ensure consistency. Design detailed prompts for each component of your process. Store these prompts for easy reuse. Look for simple automation. Connect steps with tools like Zapier or built-in app features. For example, have the AI's outputs compiled into a single document and emailed to you automatically. The result? A streamlined workflow, from input to output, with minimal manual effort. You now have a focused, efficient system serving your goals. Put it to work and reclaim your focus. In the age of AI, systems, not tools, are the key to deep, meaningful work. End.